Hi, Piper. Hi, baby girl. Look at that tail. Yeah, you always seem to have a crooked tail, at least a lot of the time. I wonder what that means. Hmm? You gonna tell us? No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, it doesn't look like you're gonna say anything about it. Oh, you straightened it out. Look at that. Look at that. She straightened out her crooked tail. You don't see that very often, huh? Well, I guess you do. I guess you do. Yeah, you're a pretty good tail straightener. Well, does that mean you're more relaxed? Oh, what a cutie! Hi, baby. What a cutie. Yeah. Well, yeah, now you move the whole tail. Yeah, that says it all, doesn't it? Yeah, you're my sweet baby.